Hey there Crimson Desert Gamers, in this video I'm going to talk to you about how you can get the Dark Ringleader's cloth helm. Now first things first, you are going to need to come to this area of the map. So I am north of the Witchwoods right now and I'm basically sort of southwest of the town. I'll zoom out really fast so you can see. So the town is just over here, and if you come directly southwest to this cave area here, you're going to see it's called the Shadow Heart Grotto, and this is basically in a waterfall just here. So I'm at the top of the waterfall here right now, and if we look down, you'll actually see that there's a ledge down there. So if I just jump off here and go into flight mode and I come over to this side here, what you're going to look for to get in is this little stone statue just here sticking up out of the ground. So I'm not on that side, I'm on this side with the stone statue, and then all we need to do to actually get in is simply go ahead and prep a stab attack like this, where I'm holding down shift right click on my keyboard. So basically you want to do like a sort of parry defense stab, and then all we need to do is come up to the water, prepare the stab, and boom, there we go, we're now inside. We come through to the back of the cave just here, and at the back of the cave we're going to find a treasure chest. All we have to do is go ahead and open it, and boom, there we have it. We've now got the Dark Ringleader's cloth helm. I'll just show you that in my inventory as well. So there we have it. Gives some stamina regen, movement speed, and defense. I really hope that this tutorial helped. Please drop a like and subscribe if it did. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.